Today I'm going to share with you 5 gadgets I use most often in my kitchen to help make my life a little easier. Number 1 are ice cream and cookie scoops. You've seen me use the cookie scoop in my baking videos, but you can also use them to fill muffin tins or to make pancakes. Using the scoops ensures that you basically get the same size item with every use. Number 2 is the little Chiseler. It has different edges so that you can get into all kinds of spots, like using the long side to scrape anything left over on a glass pan before putting it into the dishwasher. This thing is awesome to clean your nonstick pans without scraping the finish. It's especially handy for getting into the grooves of grill pans, which saves me from adding a quarter to the curse jar when I'm cleaning it. Number 3 is a corncob holder. Obviously it's good for your corn in the summertime, but that's not what I use it for most of the time. This is perfect for poking steam holes in regular russet or sweet potatoes before putting them in the oven or microwave. It gets deep enough so they don't explode, but isn't too noticeable if you're serving whole baked or sweet potatoes. Number 4 is one I use every day for sure, my apple corer and slicer. I eat an apple a day and this gives me perfect wedges every time. It's also helpful during apple pie season. Just peel the apple beforehand and slice each wedge into 2 or 3 slices. Finally, we have my favorite, my pepper mill. I use this thing all day, every day, and it has made me such a pepper snob. I love the taste of fresh black pepper on everything from eggs to burgers, and you can adjust the size of the grind from fine to coarse. I'd love to hear your favorite everyday kitchen helper in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the love with your family and friends.